Welcome to John Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Timman Jizar, which is also known as Iraqi Carrot Rice. Let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this Timman Jizar rice, this Iraqi carrot rice. It's unbelievable that when you consider the simplicity of this dish, that it's only spiced using cinnamon, but the flavor was, atomic. We can say it's just absolutely, abundant in what you experience when you take a bite So it's often served with yogurt dip or with salads. And what we did was we added some lamb to it, but you can just omit the lamb, just keep it simple so that you keep it vegetarian. That's completely fine. Or you can add chicken or beef, so that's really entirely up to you. But whatever you do, just bear in mind that this rice is just very simple in terms of what it has inside, but it just bewilders your mind that how can something taste so flavorsome when you hardly have any ingredients in it. So inshallah, we will definitely be making this very regularly because I absolutely enjoyed it. My family really thoroughly enjoyed it. Each morsel that we put into our mouth was just so satisfying, and hence we highly recommend that you give this a try because you'll see for yourself what we mean if you have never tried this out. So I'll encourage some of you that may be on the fence as to whether you should have this, whether you should make this. Just try it out, go ahead with it. I'm sure that you'll comment down below that you thoroughly enjoyed this. So with that said, you can view our Middle Eastern Mujadara rice recipe over here, our Persian Barbary rice recipe over here, and we have an entire Middle Eastern playlist of dishes, so you can view that over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.